So this is my fourth chapter, and in this fourth chapter I am continuing to previous topics. Those who are watching, please watch my previous three videos, and in this video I'm going to explain how to create rows. Rows means items, right? In DynamoDB there is a three-way we can do using CLI, then single item, and using API. So let's go the first one. First put value, creating from AWS Console and BatchWriteItem. By using the PutItem API, creating item from AWS Console, and by using BatchWriteItem API. So PutItem, this is the most common way to inserting item in database. We can use create new item in given table. We need to mandatory to specify the primary key for this item, inserting the primary key, creating item from AWS Console. So go here, and so this is what I had done. Okay, I have closed my things here from AWS Consoles, and need to go into database and DynamoDB, and so here is what I created table, and here there is option for put export table item action, so we need to use that one. I'm going to delete this table because it may charge from me. Okay, and so let's go here. So this is how create item, scan table, and this is books, create tables. And okay, so in the batch processing you can write using the with maximum size of 25. The total request should be less than 16 MB, and individual items should be size of maximum 400K. This process use power of parallel processing, speed of writing process. This can use API when you have large amount of data to be transferred to DynamoDB. You can achieve similar speed calling PutItem API from multiple threads and program, but that is case you will have to care about concurrency logic. In my opinion, it's better to let AWS deal with it, right? So we discussed put and using batch processing. So here is the example put. We just use AWS DynamoDB put item, table name, item, and return consumes total. And not the primary key match with the primary key item already present, the new item will be replaced the old item, right? So here is same example. Practice, you can do the practice, and creating item in bulk using CLI. So this is also creating item, calling BatchWriteItem API, write and delete. So we use vi.json, this file, and this file we will call. So this is called the batch processing. So this is also we can do. Yeah, thank you so much for watching 3. So I will in the next lecture I will reading how to read data. So previous one how to create means write a data. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.